Welcome to today's daily message. As you know, the season of Lent begins this week with Ash Wednesday. And so I want to offer just a few thoughts about a possible way that we can prepare ourselves to observe this season of Lent. We know from tradition that Lent is a time of purification. It's a time of letting go. And the reason why we need to let go of certain things in our lives is so that we can become closer to the truth of who we are, so that we can discover our identity even more deeply. And in so doing, we can manifest, express, show to the world the God who is inside of us. And so I ask us on this Monday to think about, in anticipation of the season of Lent, to think about one flaw, one anger, one thought of revenge, just something that holds us back from the truth of ourselves, and admit what that flaw is. And then name it, be able to name it, identify it. And then once we are able to identify whatever that flaw might be, then we can begin to manage it. And then we can begin to forgive ourselves for it. And finally, we can even learn to love it. And when we love those flaws, we're better able to love ourselves. When that happens, that flaw, whatever it might be, loses its power over us. And we can begin to have power over it. When we do that, we come closer to the truth of who we are. We discover ever more deeply that image of God in which we are made. And when we do that, we're better able to love God, to love ourselves, and to love the neighbor. Thank you so much for watching today. Have a great Monday.